Magandang araw mga kasipnayan! Welcome to Sir Ocnic's YouTube channel. In this video, we will recall factoring polynomial functions and we will solve word problems involving polynomial functions. Let us try our first problem. The area of a rectangle is given by the polynomial expression x cubed minus 2x squared minus 6x plus 12 with a length of x minus 2. Find the width of the rectangle. The area of a rectangle is given by the formula length times width. The area given in the problem is x cubed minus 2x squared minus 6x plus 12. The length is x minus 2. We are required to solve for the width. In order for us to solve for the width, we are going to divide the area by the length. Since this one is a polynomial expression, we may use the synthetic division to divide. That is equal to 1, negative 2, negative 6, and 12. These are the numerical coefficients of our dividend. Since our divisor is equal to x minus 2, equating x minus 2 in terms of 0, to find the value of x will now be equal to 2. Using synthetic division, we will have bring down 1 times 2 is 2 plus negative 2 is 0 times 2 is 0 plus negative 6 is negative 6 times 2 is negative 12 plus 12 equals 0. Rewriting all the remaining numerical coefficients in terms of polynomial, we will then have x squared minus 6 equals 0. Therefore, the width of the rectangle is equal to x squared minus 6. The distance covered by a bike is given by the expression 2x squared plus 6x minus 20. The time taken by the bike to cover the distance is given by the expression x minus 2. Find the speed of the bike. The given distance is equal to 2x squared plus 6x minus 20. X minus 2 represents the time taken by the bike to cover the distance. Using the formula for speed, since we are required to solve for the speed, that is equal to distance all over time. Therefore, we need to divide 2x squared plus 6x minus 20 by x minus 2. Using synthetic division, the numerical coefficients of our dividend are 2, 6, and negative 20. Since x is minus 2 is our time, therefore, the value of x will be equal to 2. Bring down 2 times 2 is equal to 4 plus 6 equals 10 times 2 equals 20 plus negative 20 is equal to 0. Rewriting the remaining numerical coefficients, we will then have 2x plus 10. 2x plus 10 now is the speed of the bike. The volume of a swimming pool is 3x cubed minus 4x squared minus 28x minus 16. If the height of the pool is x minus 4, what are the dimensions of the rectangular base of the pool? The formula for volume is given by length times width times height. The volume given of the swimming pool is 3x cubed minus 4x squared minus 28x minus 16. The height is represented by x minus 4. We are required to solve for the dimensions of the rectangular base, which are the length and the width. Using synthetic division, the numerical coefficients of our polynomial are 3, negative 4, negative 28, and negative 16. Since x minus 4 is our height, x will now be equal to 4. Bring down 3 times 4 is 12, plus negative 4 is 8, times 4 is equal to 32, plus negative 28 is equal to 4, times 4 is equal to 16, plus negative 16 equals 0. Rewriting all the numerical coefficients, we will then have 3x squared plus 8x plus 4. Now, since we are about to identify the dimensions of the rectangular base of the pool, we need to factor out this trinomial. The factors of this trinomial are 3x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 2. Therefore, the dimensions of the rectangular base is 3x plus 2 and x plus 2. The price of a share is given by the expression x plus 6. Find the number of shares bought if 3x cubed plus 14x squared minus 23x plus 6 was the total amount paid. The total price of the share is 3x cubed plus 14x squared minus 23x plus 6. The cost of a share is equal to x plus 6. Using synthetic division, the numerical coefficients of our dividend will be 3, 14, negative 23, and positive 6. Since x plus 6 is the cost of the share, that means that x will now be equal to negative 6. Bring down 3 times negative 6 is negative 18, plus 14 is equal to negative 4, times negative 6 is 24, plus negative 23 is equal to 1, times negative 6 is negative 6, plus 6 equals 0. Rewriting the remaining numerical coefficients into polynomial, we will then have 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. Therefore, there are 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 shares bought in this problem. The total number of comic books sold from 2005 to 2010 at Jack's bookstore can be modeled by the function f of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. And the number of kinds of comic books can be modeled by g of x equals x plus 3. What is the average number of each kind of comic books that Jack sold? The total comic books sold is represented by x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. The number of kinds of comic books is represented by x plus 3. To solve for the average number of each kind, we are going to divide total comic books by the number of kinds of comic books. Using synthetic division, the numerical coefficients of our dividend are 1, 3, negative 4, and negative 12. Since our divisor is equal to x plus 3, that means that the value of x is equal to negative 3. Let us now bring down 1. Times negative 3 is negative 3 plus 3 is equal to 0 times negative 3 is 0 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 4 times negative 3 equals positive 12 plus negative 12 equals 0. Rewriting all the remaining numerical coefficients, that will lead us to x squared minus 4 equals 0. That means that x squared minus 4 is the average kind of comic books that Jack sold. Let us now check your knowledge. Try to solve this problem. The volume of a swimming pool is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. What are the dimensions of the pool? Do not forget to pause this video while you are answering the activity. Let us now check your work. In order for us to identify the dimensions of the pool, we should factor out x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6, since the volume is given by the formula length times width times height. The numerical coefficients of our dividend are 1, 2, -5, and -6. Let us try -1. Bring down 1 times -1 is -1 plus 2 is 1 times -1 is -1 plus -5 is -6 times -1 is equal to +6. Therefore, -1 is the zero of the given polynomial function. Rewriting the remaining numerical coefficients, we will then have x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. Factoring this trinomial, we will then have x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 2 is equals to 0. That means that the two dimensions are given by these two factors. Let us now rewrite -1 as a factor 4. That is x plus 1. Therefore, the dimensions of the swimming pool are x plus 1, x plus 3, and x minus 2. Thank you for watching Sir Ocnic's YouTube channel. If you think that this video is a big help, hit like, feel free to share, and do not forget to subscribe. Always have fun in learning math. Enjoy learning! Thank you and God bless.